simple pair of headphones, nothing fancy, but they lasted, worn down, peeling, tired. Most would have thrown them away, but not her. She started by studying their shape, figuring out each curve, each component. So she crafted new ones out of real leather. It wasn't easy, screw by screw, piece by piece. She struggled with the curves. Round shapes are hard, especially when you're still learning. But she kept going, experimenting, refining. She engraved the headband,